What should you be looking at when trying to improve at chess? Your openings, your endgames, your strategy, your tactics. Well, yes, of course, that's what chess is pretty much about. But how do you approach all these areas efficiently? It can be a bit intimidating. And you can't take on the task of improving in every phase of the game all at once or you will lose your mind. It is actually possible for you to embark upon this chess improvement journey with all your heart, but there's a high chance your whole family will leave the house and never talk to you again. So, to avoid losing your mind and all your family, here are 7 quick shortcuts to make your path to chess greatness easier. Table of contents. 7 shortcuts to improve at chess faster. Know in detail 2 or 3 chess openings for white and black. Solve tactical puzzles every single day. Analyze all your rapid and classical games. Follow the advice of the masters. Play lots of practice games. Train your mind. Follow a training routine that is exciting to you. Conclusion. Other interesting reads. These are simple shortcuts that you can put into practice today to improve your chess fast. Know in detail 2 or 3 chess openings for white and black. Yes, a full opening repertoire with 10 openings for white and 10 for black sounds marvelous, but do you have the time to work on that? Instead, make sure you know in full detail 2 or 3 openings to play with white, and 2 or 3 openings to play with black. This will allow you to really learn the openings you pick, and also have some different options that will make it harder for your opponents to prepare the games before playing against you. Solve tactical puzzles every single day. This one is pretty straightforward and very well known. You need to sharpen your tactical vision ASAP. To do that, there's nothing easier than working on 8 to 10 puzzles a day. If you can do even more, that will help you boost your tactics. Analyze all your rapid and classical games. One of the best ways to improve fast is to know when and why you made mistakes. Then work on understanding why you made them and what you could have done differently. Analyzing your games is a must for classical games, and it is a great practice for rapid games as well. Of course, if you also want to analyze your blitz games, that would be awesome for you. Follow the advice of the masters. One of the best ways to improve your chess is by watching grandmasters analyze games and explain their thought processes. Even if you do not understand 100% of what they are talking about, being exposed to great minds is always beneficial. Watch them on YouTube and Twitch, buy their full courses, watch interviews, and read their books if possible. You can find some chess books I recommend in the description below. Play lots of practice games. Never underestimate the power of putting what you have learned to the test. There is no better way to know for a fact if you have understood what you learned or even if it works for you. We know playing 3+0 is very tempting, but try to play at least 15+0 minimum, which is still a fast time control but will allow you to try new things and have some time to think about your next move. Train your mind. It can be hard to deal with losses, but avoiding falling apart when you lose a game is of paramount importance for your chess improvement. Even Norwegian GM Arian Tarry says he's not very good at losing either. But everybody loses. It's not such a big deal. Remember this quote from Nelson Mandela, "I never lose. I either win or learn." It is also key to trust your intuition, even if it fails you sometimes. And it will. Work hard on keeping your cool, bouncing back from tough losses, and somehow controlling your excitement after a big win. You are not the worst chess player after a loss. You are not a world champ after a win. Follow a training routine that is exciting to you. All of this doesn't make sense if you are not going to enjoy it. Try to organize your training in a way that makes it fun and pleasurable for you to study chess. Yes, it can be done. You know your limits and your goals. Design a weekly routine that seems doable for you and give it a shot. For example, daily, 10 puzzles and 1 or 2 practice games. Monday, openings for white. Tuesday, chess strategy. Wednesday, openings for black. Thursday, tactical patterns. Friday, rest day. Saturday, openings for white and black. Sunday, rest day. You can do great things. Conclusion. The best way to improve at chess fast is to work a little bit on each aspect of the game by following a healthy and exciting training routine. Do puzzles every day if you can, and follow the advice of the people that know about the game, top grandmasters, and don't get too frustrated when you lose a game. A great way to start your path of rapid chess improvement is my course, and you can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.